Guys! Oh my god, these people are... Uy! Asan ba tayo? There's my fucking cameraman again.
Passing it to someone who's...
Grabe guys. Nakakatakot talaga dito. Kita mo yun, no? Ang layo na namin, no? Hey guys, so we're back in. Nasa baba na kami. Alfie, how was it, bro?
Shit, bro. It was actually scary. No cap.
It's actually like from New York.
Yes, sir.
Alam mo yung parang doon, yung train. Oh, yeah, it is baseball. Ano ba yun? Uy, puta, lakas nun. Pero bakit parang alit naman itong alit naman.
Ang maliit, tanga ito lang yung inner field. Doon pa siya sa outer minsan.
Pero kasi, ewan ko lang, sobrang late lang naman kasi guys.
Paano masabi?
Hey guys, welcome to my vlog. Say hi. Anyway, we're in the Yanela concert. Hindi ko na na-vlog yung mga past minutes, We're just gonna buy drinks. Anyways, Aldrich, say hi man. Uy, pogi naman itong guy. Grabe. So guys, nasa upuan na naman kami. Habang ito nainom ng water. Uy, grabe na yun,
Liwanag, pre.
Masyado bang liwanag yan? Medyo oily ba? Grabe. What the heck? Yeah, meron na gets yan guys. Pag daw binaligtad yung sipilyo, haggard ka na. Gets mo ba?
Ako nang sabi sa'yo.
Tama mo ba? Pag
Tuloy po dun sa likod, nasa likod namin. Ano?
saan dyan?
Ayun yung likod.
Ayun, siguro.
Funny when it...
Hey guys! Welcome to my vlog. Welcome to my actually it's not a little bit. Where huh?
Yeah.
What?
Yeah.
What is that? Yeah, okay,
Yeah.
sure. Guys, Tantan,
Did you leave your stuff?
say hi to my vlog.
I left my stuff. Hi, vlog.
We're a little bit drunk. Hey, Sean, say hi to my vlog. Oh my God, this guy just fucking hugging me. Jovan, say hi to my vlog.
Hello, vlog.
Hi guys. Oh, he's actually vlogging too, guys. Check him out. Check him out. His name is ACX1K or Cheeto or X-Kai Crew.
Welcome back.
You see?
What the hell is
Remember her sa guys, when we bike. Exactly. That crazy. Sit.
There's a bike there.
You got sit.
Oo nga, no.
Parang babae yung boses mo.
Yung sa naman we went, biking, di ba?
So guys, yeah, we were just gonna walk papuntang sa barrio, and we're a bit drunk. So guys, anyway, we're back here again. We're vlogging. We're going to a barrio. It's called Barrio Nights.
There's students.
Sorry. Shut the fuck up. So guys, we're gonna make an ASMR video.
We are...
So guys, yeah, we were just gonna.
Tangin na to, Hey!
Hey guys, my name is Andre or Andre AJ. Just call me AJ. Mga uncles and aunties, I'm here with you guys with another.
I'm Sean. Nice to meet you.
We're going to a barrio. There's like so many of us here, guys. Actually, this is them. Hello.
Wait, how is he gonna go home?
Look at that. There's all of us here. We're going to the bar, Barrio Nights actually. Pero it's been weeks, months since we've been to bar, and actually this is going to be complete again. We're going to this side of the road. There's no lights. There's no anything here. We're in the forest actually. I don't know where we're going, so yes.
Paano masabi?
Post-interview.
That two man went wrong. Brody went after me. Forgot about his girl. Turned into a threesome. And then a twosome with me and my homeboy.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, the guy behind camera.
Hey, yo, nah. He's capping.
Nah, man. I got footage. Leak footage. Go to my Patreon. You know where I'm at. You know my name.
Aldrich, we're walking again. It feels like Vancouver. What you gonna say?
It doesn't feel like Vancouver, the fuck?
It doesn't feel like Vancouver? Ito yung ginagawa natin nung nag-Vancouver tayo. Aldrich, Arch. This is what we did in Vancouver. Remember?
I don't know, bro. I'm fucking. I'm about to sleep right now, bro. No cap.
Sleep? Why would you sleep, bro? We're going to the bar. You can't sleep now?
Fuck, bro.
Just wake up, bro. Do you want me to slap you?
No.
Oh, okay, fine. He doesn't want me to slap me. So guys, we're in White Ave. Guys, what's the update? Guys, what's the update? We're in White Ave. Oh fudge! Why you say hello? Don't say hello. What?
Hello there.
Hi there.
Oh my god, hi.
Hi, hello.
That's three.
Hi, video, not this video.
What? I am.
Here, last two.
What do you mean last two? What are you gonna say?
Okay.
Okay. Hi, hello. Bro, that sounds crazy. That sounds crazy, bro. You didn't
It's for the vid, not for
even,
you.
you didn't even say hello, man. You didn't
Hey,
even
what's your
say hello.
vlog? Hey, thank you for watching the vlog. Make sure to like and subscribe.
Hey.
Yeah, so subscribe to my boy,
Hey.
man, Andre.
Hey.
Support Pride Month, man. Andre, he came out this month. Yeah, man's untargeted now, bro. Yeah, man's untargeted.
I'm very proud.
That's
I
crazy.
heard at the Lionel concert, you kissed Aldrich on the mouth, bro.
What?
Just a repeat.
Welcome to my vlog.
Yo, what up, chat? Post bar. Yo.
Mario. Yo, you go to hell, bro. Guys, we're made by Marcus.
Shit, shit went down for real.
What'd you say? What'd you say about it?
Like actual shit, you know what I mean?
Like actual?
Like literal shit over there, you know?
I think that was a show up, not a shit. Shit, bro. Anyways,
So chat, it's been another fun night, you know? All I'm saying is that this guy right here, boy Sean,
Sean,
yeah,
Sean hit the jackpot today.
Sean be hitting shit, yo. He got
hit
2
the
rings.
jackpot, bro.
He got 2 rings and a leather jacket for free.
Shit, post-game interview. But this post-game interview? Yes, sir. Shit was hype, bro. Better than the last one.
That's crazy. Shit, no, this is
Give me some questions. Shit, yo, I thought you had the girlfriend, bro. Oh, yeah. Keep comment.
Should've went home earlier, bro.
What time?
2.
2 o'clock? Why?
I'm fucking tired. That shit was already ending. People were leaving, bro.
Tell the cops what's up, bro. I am not drunk. I am only Filipino.
Send ka sa police. Huh? Send ka tapos sa police. Acting civil, bro. Post game, we're walking back. We're walking back. Vlog.
Hey vlog.
Guys, cross the street!
Yes, sir.
Cross the street!
Go. Oh, finally.
Guys, this is us after the bar.
This is what's up.
I'm so drunk. Oh, what the heck was that flash? Hey guys. Cross the street, he said.
This street or that street?
What the fuck? Which tree, bro?
Excuse me, gorgeous people. Does anybody smoke cigarettes?
No, sir.
Guys, I can tell by this group.
Huwag kayo iiyak.
I don't have my cigarettes on.
We're walking today.
Look at this. Charis.
I got registered weapons on me.
One eternity later.
You know. Alep. Tatay ng grabe bang ilaw yan.
Production light mo.
Wala kasing ilaw. Hindi ko lang kung paano ako makapag-vlog.
Aesthetic lang naman. Aesthetic pa din naman yung dating. Parang naka-digicam lang.
Pero kasi nasa hill kami ngayon. Wala akong makita.
A day in my life.
A day in my life, guys.
A life in my day.
Baliktad eh. Aray ko. Ano? Grabe.
You're my angel.
Tanga na, wala nang makita sa mga mukha. Ayan. Kita yun. Hey.
Uy, tanga ko.
Siya yung sa harapan. Siya yung ano eh. Uy!
Oh, Mark na yan? Yes.
Uy!
Oh, dayon eh.
Yo! Hey, yo, boss! Ikaw, what are you saying? Tangin na, grabe. Dito guys, oh. Shit, puta. Edmonton. Kala mo, pabilog lang yan, hindi. Bilog lang yan.
Bilog na naman ng buwan, pre.
Wala nga buwan actually.
Edmonton, the city of ano. Yung
City-
mga nakaganto. City of chokers. Marami sa Vancouver.
Ito niya nakamit.
Edmonton is the city of...
That's crazy, bro. That's crazy.
Sino ba yung kilala kong dumire-diretso sa ba? Ikaw!
Bakit ako?
Tumawalan ka ng winter.
Ha?
Kasi dire-diretso ko sa may friend.
Hindi ako yon. Posible, hindi ako yon.
Magkano basta mo?
Ha?
Hindi ka kita, men.
Hindi ba ako kita? Sorry.
Hindi mo ako kailangan kita.
Ayan, you know. Shit. Welcome guys. Welcome to the vlog. Nagvo-vlog na rin yung isa doon ito. Actually, yan.
To my N-word.
Oh my God, Nick!
Chuchu's my word, fam.
Tutus my word, fam.
Wow, he's drinking coffee, guys!
Sarap ng coffee ko, pre. McDonald's, pang ilang orange pigo ko na to.
Ano ngayon?
Shoot the Grace Tour. Shit.
Uy.
Asan si Brian Ella dito?
Post again.
Ewan ko, baka dito.
Grabe, ang ganda.
I don't even see him. Like, ano tong pictures na to? Like, covers na.
Nangangati ako.
Let's see.
Take it off.
Bakit? Di joke.
Gago, pangit daw.
Joke lang.
What would I say?
Oh, yung merch din siya.
Shit. Grabe ba yan? Grabe na? Masyado ka naman malapit. Ang lalakas ng tama nitong mga to. Putang ina, saan tayo pupunta?
Punta tayo sa other view, pre.
Yeah,
Other
bro, I'll tell
dimension.
you, there isn't one.
There is, bro.
Kita mo naman yung daan namin, oh. Walang ilaw, pre. Grabe.
Tingin kita sa lugar na hindi mo nagugustuhin umalis.
Tangina, grabe. Buisit.
Now you're gonna black out too, bro.
Ina. Crazy! Ano ba nangyari?
Amber almost killed me, man.
Crazy. Crazy, bro. Gago, buti ka na kayo mamatay, tol. It's just fall hazard right there, bro. That's crazy. That's crazy. That's crazy. Guys, ito na.
forest to tol.
Namumblema sila kung sila dadaan. Actually, we're here in Mutart Conservatory right there.
Fewer turns, 14 minutes.
Namumblema sila kung saan kami dadaan na pabalik.
Carry eyes, bro. Fuck, that shit's
Gago yung mga daan natin kanina, bro. It's a forest, man. Legit, bro. It's so fucking scary when you...
Eh gago, dadaan nga tayo sa kanina. Forest pa rin to eh.
Ah, nah, that's
Hindi,
crazy.
pero sa corner route lalabas.
Oh, sorry, bro. That's basement. Oh, walang warning. Kanig ko, sumisigaw na lang. No, I just accepted my fate, bro. My guy's rent is like sprinklers, bro.
Ang daming refunded oh. Refunded. $1.42. $27.
Gago, crazy, man. Crazy yung sprinkler na yun.
2,000 years later.
Hey, guys.
Hey guys!
So we're doing biking again here at downtown. And apparently you guys can see me. But yes, hi. Yeah, we're using Lime Ride. And we are in a no-go zone. We're in the legislature. Hey guys, that's them again. We're here in the Lime. So basically we're just going through. Guys, saan tayo pupunta? Where do we go?
Yeah, I don't know.
What? John's lost. Hey guys. Hola. That's goodie, bro. Lime ride again. Freaking lime rides. Sorry. Utang ina. Gago. Babagala ko na talaga, legit. Utang ina. Ayoko na. Guys, buti na lang walang naka-record. Wala, men. No, I can't record, bro. Kasi nga, di ko na nga mabalance. Legit, man, I can't balance right now. Look. Gago. Gago. Fuck. It's... Sakit, gago. Tumama yung right. Ha? Grabe, sakit. Gago, yoko na.